Our meat birds are coming to the end here. This weekend, we're going to process part of them at least. Here's a few new additions that I hatched in the incubator. I'm having trouble with my humidity level. I can't keep it up and they're having trouble getting out the shells. And here's the other new additions. The two medium-sized ones are the ones that I bought. And then all the litlins, the mama duck hatched some of them, I think like 7, and the rest of them I hatched in the incubator. I think there were 17 total babies.